In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature in Gmail, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature that automatically appears at the bottom of your emails, saving you time and keeping your messages consistent. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in if needed. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right and click the gear-shaped settings icon. That opens Quick Settings. From there, click the link that says See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab, which is where most everyday options live. Stay on this tab and scroll down until you find the section labeled Signature. This is the area where you'll create, name, and format your signature. Click Create New. A small prompt will appear asking for a name. Give your signature a short, clear label that helps you tell versions apart later, something like work, personal, or support. Then click Create to add it. You'll now see a blank signature editor on the right. Click inside the editor and type the content you want to appear under your emails. Keep it concise and easy to scan. A good structure is your name on the first line, your role or department next, and any essential contact details or links you want recipients to use, such as a website or scheduling page. Less is more here. Avoid clutter so your message remains the focus. Use the formatting toolbar beneath the editor to make your signature look polished. You can adjust font size, add bold for your name, insert links so people can click directly to a website, and even add a small logo or headshot if that fits your style. Keep images lightweight and aligned so the signature looks good on both desktop and mobile. Choose simple fonts and colors for readability and stick to 2 or 3 lines of information to prevent the signature from overshadowing your email content. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This is the key step that makes your signature go live. After saving, compose a new email to see it in action. If you need to tweak spacing, colors, or links, return to settings, adjust the signature, and save again. That's it. You've successfully created a Gmail signature that looks professional, stays consistent, and helps recipients find the information they need quickly.